Hey guys, today we are going to be playing some epic mini games, so let's go. First, Block City Brawl. I have Illumina on this. No, actually, we're doing punching. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. No, he won't get me. He will. I'll get him. I will get him. My goodness. Okay, these are the game thingy majiggies. Mister, get out my way. Get. This is typical type of game creator, and this is worthy joining to the lobby builder. The, yeah, you get to choose the mini game. You get to choose the next mini game, and then yeah, that's what epic mini games is. I am the highest level rank on this server, and I love that because I really am. Look, look up in the top right corner. And if you guys haven't been noticing me on Roblox, if you don't really think it's me, my real account is ExtraDurableAngelX. So yeah. So if you want to add me, just add me. I'll accept it. I will. I will accept it. Come back here, Alvaro Rub thingy majiggy. Oh, why did that happen to me? I really don't. I don't get why I have an Illumina sword thingy that makes it stronger, and then it won't let me get stronger sword. That's not fair. That's really not fair. No, that's not. I'm against a bunch of noobs, and they defeat me. Like, really? Who would beat this vibrant little unicorn lonely with? And also add my sister on Roblox, Gab the Cole. Not called the Carl. Yeah, I know. I don't know what she says, Carl, but it's a Carl, so she can do whatever she wants. One, two, one, two, two, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, four, one, two, one, two, one, two, three, five, six, one, two, three, four, five, one, two, three, one, two, three, four, one, two, three, and then one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, I obviously won that. And this is my Roblox character. Hey, get out of the chat. This is my Roblox character with hashtag bunny tail goals. Hashtag bunny tail goals. Like, obviously. Who wouldn't have a bunny tail? So, like, and I'm a BC, and I'm a Builders Club, so I'll get 50 a day. Yeah, I probably got you, HD fan, you probably would know that. So, oh, ooh, it's people. They won't notice me. Ciao, ciao. Stay back, Blues. Uh-oh. Stay back, Blues. Stay back. Also, go follow me on Musical.ly at the same as my Roblox account, X double angel X. Oh god dang. God dang it. No 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 no. So sad. It's so sad to me. Okay. I'm sorry about that, guys. I just had a mental breakdown. Okay. Also, I love Fortnite, but I don't play it. So sad for me. But my sister does, and my brother does. Yeah. Yeah. I love this. I love this so much. Oh my god. I love this so much. I think I will win this again, like I did last time. Uh-oh. Why does Jordan win everything? Why? Why do you win everything? Why do you win everything? Uh-oh. So sad for me. I can't type anything. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye! Bye guys!